So why do online training and development with 40 Human Being? Well, firstly, because we're really good at it, but also because your business is about team performance. It's your team performance that really is going to bring you business results. Now, your team is packed with creativity and great stories and potential and communication skills. And you need to unlock it and you need to unleash it. And we can really help you do that. And you can do it online. You can do it in a really engaging program that takes your people through some really key tools and some really key ideas that can help them do it really, really quickly. So if you're sitting around waiting to maximize and unleash your team performance and optimize your business results, get in touch with us.